May is Mental Health Awareness Month, and there's a Chicago psychologist working hard to change the narrative when it comes to mental health within communities of color.
Yeah, really hoping to have mental health conversations in the spaces and communities that we call home. And so please help us welcome back to the stream in person, though, this time, Dr. Ricardo Camacho, licensed bilingual psychologist.
Yes.
And also, you're the founder of Salud Chicago and Salud's Health, right?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you for being with us this morning.
Of course. No, I appreciate being here.
So, Salud Chicago, let's talk about that first. Why did you start this, and what was the problem that you saw that you're like, we really need to address this with this group?
Of course, you know, when we think about mental health, it's usually a very stigmatized topic, right?
Yeah.
And it's about time we change the way we approach it. So we were thinking about how do we make it engaging, how do we make it interactive, and really accessible to our communities, wherever you are in the city, especially in Chicago. So we wanted to show people that, hey, you can talk about mental health in ways that are fun. So for example, tomorrow we'll be at Removal Theater, you know, including salsa dancing, talking about mental health. And that's the exciting part, because we want people to know that, hey, if we want to change how we talk about mental health, we got to change how we approach it as well.
Okay.
Yeah. So, I mean, we're talking, you know, changing stigmatized, something, you know, in communities, the Latinx community, it's been stigmatized for generations.
Yes.
So how do you actually change it? Is it with language, with words? I mean, how do you take a topic that for generations has been untalked about and make it talked about and acceptable to talk about?
Of course, and it's such a complex approach, right? You have to really acknowledge, you know, what are the strengths also? What are the richness that we have in each of our cultures that really allows us to accomplish something like that? And I think, you know, culture is at the root of our work, you know, with whether it's, you know, salsa dancing or incorporating other aspects of that makes us feel comfortable, makes us feel like we can interact or be included. I think that's a plus that sometimes is often missed. And I'm so excited because Salud really approaches that in a way where, like, hey, it doesn't matter who you are, you can really be part of this community that we can talk about mental health together. So.
And one thing I've learned in looking for a therapist, as being a woman who's a mixed woman, and comes from a very mixed background, sometimes finding that cultural competency, you know, having someone who understands maybe your family, culture, your traditions. Can you talk to someone who's watching, who's saying, you know, I want to go see someone, I want to talk about mental health, but I don't know if people get me?
Yeah, of course. And, you know, finding a therapist or someone to talk to is hard in the first place, right? And you don't have to stick with one person. I always kid around with people when I talk to them. It's like almost like dating. You have to find the right fit for you.
It is.
You have to find someone who understands you, someone you feel like you can be trusting of, because you're literally trusting this person to hear your backstory, trying to support you. And I think, you know, sometimes we think like, okay, I have to find the perfect person, and that's okay. It's always the right fit for you. And there's so many resources that sometimes we don't know of. And I think that's another aspect of Salud, is that we want to let you know, like, hey, there's someone that speaks your language, someone that looks like you, someone who probably has the same upbringing or background that you have. So I think that's an aspect that I'm really proud of this work as well.
And I also, we talked about an event that you're having, and I'm sure creating these safe spaces for people to have these conversations is a huge part of what you do. Can you tell us about that event, and more specifically how you use small spaces or fun spaces to bring people together to talk about this?
Yeah, and usually mental health, it's usually really seen as like in small spaces, really spaces that aren't welcoming. You usually think of those 4 white walls, and it's almost intimidating, right? So how do we change that? And I think Removal Theater, it's a really perfect example that you usually go there to see a show, an experience, and just, you know, enjoy yourself. And I think if we create spaces like that, where we also show like, hey, these conversations can happen anywhere in our city, I think that's a powerful note, because sometimes we think, no, mental health should only be talked about behind the scenes or like, you know, privately. But I think, you know, if we want to normalize, I think this is how you do it.
Yeah, well said.
Thank you.
Dr. Ricardo Camacho, we appreciate having you on, a licensed bilingual psychologist. Good luck with your
Thank you so much.
event coming up, and we hope to hear from you again soon. Founder of Salud Chicago, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
And we will put the information right here on your screen for that event. And if you can't snap a picture of it real quick, we're going to also put the link on our website. Again, Removal Theater. This is on Halsted tomorrow night. Doors open at
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock.
Yeah.
Thank you for being with us.
Of course.